Two phones, two ecosystems, one crown. The iPhone 17 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra are the heaviest hitters of 2026. I've used both as my daily driver, and the winner might surprise you. Let's settle this. The iPhone 17 Pro is Apple finally listening to power users. The AI 18 Pro chip is ridiculous. I threw everything at it. 4K video editing, console games like Resident Evil, and heavy multitasking, no stutter, no overheating. The new vapor chamber cooling actually works. The 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR edit display hits 144 Hz per motion, and the brightness is insane outdoors. Battery life? I got 9 hours of screen on time. That's iPhone territory we've never seen before. The camera system got a serious upgrade too. The new 48-megapixel ultra-wide and a 5x optical zoom that competes with Samsung. What surprised me most? The titanium frame is lighter than last year, and the USB-C port finally supports Thunderbolt 4 speeds. One honest downside, fast charging is still behind Android, 35 watts max. Also, iOS 19 is great, but customization still lags behind One UI. And the price? Painful. But if you're in the Apple ecosystem, this is the best iPhone ever made. Full specs and the best deal are linked in the description below. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is a spec monster wrapped in a beautiful design. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 3 for Galaxy is overkill for almost everything, but that's the point. I edited video, played Genshin Impact at max settings, and ran 3 apps in split screen without a single hiccup. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display is stunning. 144 Hz, peak brightness that hurts your eyes, in a good way, and anti-reflective coating that works. The S Pen is still here, still useful for signing docs or photo editing. Battery, 5,500 mAh with 45 watts wired charging and 15 watts wireless. 0 to full in about an hour. The camera is the real star. A 200 megapixel main sensor plus a 50 megapixel periscope zoom that gets you 10 times optical. I took shots of the moon and saw craters. One honest complaint, the phone is huge and heavy. One-handed use is a struggle. Also, One UI has features everywhere. It can feel overwhelming. But if you want the absolute best specs and camera zoom in 2026, nothing touches this. Check the description for current pricing and deals. So which one is king? It depends on you. iPhone for ecosystem and efficiency. Samsung for specs and zoom. Still can't decide? Comment below and I'll help you pick. Don't forget to check the description for links. Subscribe for more head-to-head reviews. See you in the next one.